We're nearly there. It's snow, look at this. Can't even see behind you. It's crazy. Get all on my hat. Oh, get me to a fire.
Hello, I'm Rianne and this is my husband Ben. We sold our business, rented out our house and quit our jobs to travel the world for a year.
Good morning, it is day 5 of our hike and it is cold. It is -11 today. We woke up and our water bottles are iced over. That's how cold it is. But we didn't really finish the video yesterday because we kind of just crashed. 7.5 hour hike. We thought it'd be like 5 hours, but with the ice and the slippery slopes, it made it twice as hard. And then going uphill at the end was like torture. Today we're just going to pack up. It's about 8 o'clock. We're going to go have some breakfast down in the tea room. But we've only got like a 4-hour hike today, so we're not rushing because we're just going to the closest town because we're never rushed. So, and it's so cold. Snow everywhere up here. But I'm just going to pack our sleeping bags away now. This was our tea house last night. Very basic, but it was a little bit warmer than the last one. Not sure why, because there's no heating and our windows are iced up. But
psychological.
we're going to go down and have some breakfast. Hopefully charge a couple of bits, sit by the fire and warm up a bit, and then get going. So we're just down at breakfast. We both got a cheese omelette and some toast to share. I got black tea, coffee for Benny, and they put the heating up here for us. Lovely.
Good.
I love that yak cheese. So we want to brush our teeth, but there's ice.
There's ice in the sink.
So maybe down the toilet.
That's nuts.
We paid up at our tea house and we're on the road. It's starting to snow, it's not too heavy, so hopefully it eases off. We're not sure where we're going to. We're wanting to go to Tengboche today, but it's about 5 to 6 hours. It depends on the snow and how cold we get, but that's our aim for today. But we're going to put the phone away for a bit and get some steps in. Whoa. Ben! That's not even the trail, you idiot.
I think you're just going around that way.
Yes, go this way. You going that way?
Yeah.
You're crazy. So this is the 20th of February today, the off season. So this is what you expect if you come in the off season. Snow and ice. I've got 2 pairs of trousers on, 2 pairs of socks on, a long sleeve top, sports bra, a hoodie, a coat, a scarf like thing, hat and gloves. And it's keeping us warm, to be honest. My toes are a little cold, but I know as soon as we get going a bit more, we'll warm up more. It is good to come in February because it's so quiet in tea houses and they don't charge you for the electricity and they're quite cushy really. And like you're the only ones gathered around the fire, you ain't got to fight for electricity of other people and fight for the fire. It's quiet, but they said the end of February it'll start getting busy. Apart from us and another 2 guys, we were the only ones there. This is the problem. This is why it's taken us twice as long to get everywhere. We're just going to fill our bottle up. Found a little water thing. So that's all we've really got, so some wafers. Do you like them?
It goes to show you, like with dogs, doesn't matter if they're stray or they're your own dog. They just love humans, don't they?
Yeah, this one's so cute.
Yeah.
You want another one? And people, there are a lot of bins on the way, so there's no need to litter. We've picked up a couple of bits on the way that we've seen.
It hasn't been too bad.
Yeah, but there's just no need. Fair, like obviously sometimes it falls out your pocket or something, but bin, use it.
So that is Amadabalum. It's a mountain in the eastern Himalaya range. The main peak is 6,812 metres. Yeah, and the base camp to summit it is at Pangbouche, where we're heading, well, we're just about to pass through.
So we bought a couple of bottles along the way, but we are trying to use less plastic. So when we see some water, we top up our bottles, but a lot of them are frozen or haven't got running water these days. So half an hour and we can drink it.
So today is freezing cold. It's like -10. I've got like so many layers on. It's unbelievable. But already, after what, 1 hour, it's boiling hot. It doesn't take long to get hot here. And Rianne's taking a layer off already, so I won't be far behind. So we made it to Pangbouche. Pangbouche used to be the highest permanently occupied village before tourists create demand for lodges higher up in the valley. Here in Pangbouche, right, absolutely dead. Looks like everything's closed. Oh, we ain't really got no choice. We're gonna have to go on to the next village. Humhongil Human School for humans. That's good. So we were torn between Pangbouche and Tengboche where to sleep tonight, because we arrived at Pangbouche and we left because obviously we felt we could do more, and now the snow's really coming down. So there's a town in between which I think we might stop in. I think we're gonna have to, because if the snow gets heavier we'll get stuck. I'll go the same way as you.
What?
I'll go the same way as you.
Snow, look at this. Can't even see behind you. It's crazy. Look at all on my hat. Oh, get me to a fire.
So we just arrived at the town. Where we stayed last night, they recommended their daughter's lodge, and here it is, Pangtang Lodge. And some guy was just coming down the mountain. He said, "Are you going to Pangtang Lodge?" I went, "Yeah." He went, "Yeah, they're waiting for you." So obviously they phoned up. They said, because obviously if it snows bad, we could get stuck. So they're obviously worried about us. But
Checking we make it.
we're okay. Let's go.
We've made it. That
Yeah.
was hard though.
It was hard.
There's the town. That's where we're heading. Oh, so much snow. It looks so far. Pull me. Ah. Hello, Yak. Are you cold with all that snow? They are quite fluffy though.
Is that yak poop?
Ja,
Yeah.
yak shit.
Yeah, yak shit.
Das wood is the bigger, you know.
Yeah.
It's expensive to wood.
Okay.
Wood here.
Okay.
So we've warmed up a lot more. We're just sat chilling by the yak fire, and it's so nice and cosy. I'm just going to go on here and do a bit of editing. We're getting a little bit of 3D, so you get a little bit, because we're just checking our route for tomorrow, because we've changed it a bit now.
Yeah.
But
Unplanned route.
yeah, it still ain't stopped snowing out there. It looks even worse. Let's hope we don't get snowed in.
To be honest, it doesn't look too bad.
Looks the same as every other room.
Yeah, but
Close the curtains.
Windows look a bit better. Yeah, but
Let's go back to the fire.
yeah, back to the fire.
So tonight I went for the tomato and cheese pasta, and Ben's is supposedly a veggie burger and chips. Looks good.
These are the best chips I've had since I've been trekking Everest Base Camp. Look, proper crunchy,
Soft in the middle.
soft in the middle.
I'm so cold the camera's shaking.
Beautiful.
And I've got loads of yak cheese on here, just mixed it all in. What's your veggie burger like?
I've got all of it.
It's gonna fall.
It's the inside.
Oh, veg and cheese. That's good.
We're just getting our sleeping bags out, going to sleep. It's going to be a cold one tonight.
Cold every night.
It's cold every night. Right, see you tomorrow.
And the base camp to summit it is at what's it called? Pangbouche.
Tengboche. Yeah.
Pangbouche. So the base camp is at you do it. So it's quite steep here and there's a river down there. I said to Ben, if one of us fall in, make sure he removes all my clothes quickly. So like remove the top layer, throw his coat on me and then remove the bottom and get some new clothes on. It's the best way.
That's asked me twice. So we were torn between Tengboche, no, what the town's called? So we were torn between Pangbouche and
You're right there.
it's so cold.
I'm not even in my bed yet, I had to tuck him in.